to wig hair no hard though. Now just people they make us feel like say we need to climb 7 mountains before we feel make wig. So now so I say make I try my own, see whether I feel do am well, because I dey see people they make wig, I be like me I feel do am now. So before we start, I go introduce things where I use make this wig. I use scissors, comb. You see this needle is everything you feel need for this wig. So make we start. So I'll be using 24 inches of hair and 26 inches. So normally people they put 24 inches down, but me I go try see whether I feel do 26 inches down and 24 on top. So starting, we go need this mannequin and the hair, of course. So first thing first, we install our closure first of all. After we done install our closure, we go start the wig. So I make sure I edit this video, make it self-explanatory, so I no go need to do long voice notes to explain everything. So watch out and see how I'm going to install this closure. Now I won't try your moon and no finish me, so just follow up. When I start, I feel say I feel do this hair, but I give it up to people where they do wig, hairdresser now, and I get this one. So as I sew the hair, make I just tell on a small story. Some people they shall they buy hair and they expect miracle. How now? You go just expect say you no take care of your hair go just dey. You see all these celebrities who they admire, make una try go ask them question. If you see the way they pamper their hair, so make I no lie, I be one of those people before. Until I can't learn say the beauty of hair now when you take care of am. You see as they order for this your bone straight, order for straightener too. Also order for your hair serum, very important. Not just make mistake use any kind of hair serum for your hair. So once in a while now you go to take care of your hair yourself. No wait for anybody. If you know say you never reach to wear bone straight, no just buy am. No go buy bone straight, come they quarrel the hair vendor wey be say na your fault, be say you no take care of am. At least as you no get strength, suppose get your money now. So I beg you, when you notice say your hair no good again, I beg carry and go pay salon, give them small money, make them do and wear for you. That's why they call it a very good hair. No matter what you do, you go still good. Some people we don't wear their hair for over 1 year, they never wash am. So wetin be your problem now? I be want make the hair they smell us. Make we bring hypo come. I beg go, make una try to wash your hairs, especially those ones we don't marry. Make your husband no pursue you for house. I don't finish the wig, na testing a day, so I dey still go back to our story. So make we continue. They wash your hair until no cost na 5,000. Carry your hair go salon, go straighten and wash am. Abeg help yourself, help the hair too where they carry, make the hair no they cry. Say which kind person hand where you enter so shey una no say hair they cry. Abeg no let your hair report you, auntie, I beg you. So now so I don't finish, I can't say make I dey straighten the hair. I no be hairstylist, but I get all these things for my house because I need them to make my hair fine. So I beg sister, make I go back go talk. When you buy hair, help your hair now, no they allow the hair suffer for your hand. So my sister, no they stress yourself to do wetin you never reach to do. As you never reach to wear bone straight, I beg leave am for people wey don't reach. And another set of people who I won't call out now. People wey know they put comb for bag when they come on. Auntie, what is your own now? No they use hand, they arrange your hair for public. Make I shock you, the thing go even make your hair scatter the more. So once you reach where they go, before you come down from the car, you carry your comb your hair very well. And another set of people who I go call out again now, people wey no get mannequin for house. Auntie, wetin they do with hair when you no get mannequin for house? Oh, wrong, go buy mannequin fast. But wait, make I even ask, where you they plan to keep your hair when you come back from where you go? Now inside bag, I be on top of chair, and when you won't come out again, go carry the hair they come out. Very soon some hair vendors go they dash mannequin, no be even dash. Once you buy hair, you must buy mannequin, because you they spoil their business. So you know if you get hair, you no get mannequin now. Auntie, I don't talk am before, if you never reach to wear hair, go back to your synthetic. Now that synthetic good for you, so after 3 months you try am, you go buy another one. So before you start they use better hair, make sure say you get all these things what I talk. So this hair, so now me take my hand wig am. I hope say they feel am. You like am ba? Hairstylists them don't to do me something. I tell myself say I go learn how to do this hair. And so I go learn how to do am. And since I learn am, so I know they regret. No be say I no get money pay them. Now because some of them no sabi work. Beg no forget to follow my page and subscribe. Thank you.